murg narangi, that is orange chicken. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel at Chilli, where we cook up authentic and delicious recipes from around the world. Episode 25, orange chicken, yani murg narangi. Today I am bringing a zesty twist to your plate with all-time favorite chicken, orange chicken, yani murg narangi. It's crispy, tangy, and absolutely irresistible. Let us start. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you. Cooking with chilli is an amazing experience. All-time favorite orange chicken. For ingredients, see description box. 500 grams chicken, 6 to 8 semi-ripe oranges, 4 spicy red chillies, and 15 gram ginger. Marinate chicken with 120 grams curd, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 4 teaspoon coriander powder, that is dhaniya powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, that is jeera powder, scraped and grated ginger. Mix well and keep aside. In a fry pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil and 4 tablespoons ghee, that is clarified butter. When hot, add 4 spicy red chilies, 1 each cinnamon stick, that is dalchini, 1 black cardamom, that is badi Elaichi, 2 green cardamoms, that is chhoti Elaichis, and 5 to 6 cloves, that is laung. When aroma is released, add marinated chicken. Saute for 7 to 8 minutes or till chicken changes its color. Wash the bowl with a little water and add to chicken. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes more on medium flame. Roast for 10 minutes on low medium flame. Roast till water evaporates and only ghee and oil remains. Now, chicken has cooked all together for 25 minutes. Now, water has evaporated and only ghee and oil remains. Chicken is 50% tender. Add 350 milliliter fresh orange juice with a little bit sour tint. थोड़ा खट्टा होना चाहिए. Mix well and cook on low medium flame till chicken is tender. Please don't cover the lid. After almost 15 minutes, check a piece of chicken. chicken is tender. Orange chicken, that is murg narangi, is ready to be served. Murg narangi, that is orange chicken,